Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a real quick way to multiply numbers that are in that base 10 quickly in your head. This is using a Vedic method. Okay, so if I have the number 12 times 13, right? We know traditionally the way we would do it would be to take the ones and then the ones times the tens and then put the zero and on and on and on. Okay, I'm just going to look at this as we are currently working in a base 10. Right, I'm going to write 10 up here. That means that I have 1 in my tens place. Okay, so I'm going to ask how many times above 10 is this? This is 2 units above 10, and this is 3 units above 10. And I'm going to cross add. 12 plus 3 is 15, and 13 plus 2 is also 15. Now, because I'm working in that base 10, I'm going to take my 0 and put that down there. Then I multiply my 2 times 3 to get 6. I add those together to get 156. All right, I'm going to show you a couple more. We're going to continue working in that base 10. I'll do another video for 20s and 30s and that sort of thing. As you move up, though, it requires more and more. Well, this obviously requires some mental math. Whereas more of you being able to double and triple and that sort of thing in your head. All right, so if I do 16 times... let's do 14. 16 times 14. And we look at this. This is how many above 10? My 14 is 4 above 10. My 16 is 6 above 10. I add from my bottom here to my top here, 14 plus 6 to get 20. And the cool thing is it's the same either way, right? So now 20, I add my 0 because I'm working in my base of 10. And then I multiply these two together, 6 times 4 to get 24. Okay, so 224. One more time. And keep practicing these. When you're getting used to doing it, it's not necessarily going to feel like it's any quicker than doing it with a traditional algorithm. But once you get used to it, it really is. And so I'm going to do this with steps, okay? 15 times 13. And I'm sorry I'm going fast. I'm just trying to keep these. So step 1 is going to be to figure out how many above 10 each of these. That's 5 and that's 3. Step 2 is going to be to cross add. My writing is terrible. I apologize. Cross add. So 15 plus 3 equals 18. Step 3 is to add a 0. So I add a 0 to the end of that. 180. Now, the last thing that I'm going to do, which is, not the last thing, the step 4 is to multiply here 5 times 3 to get 15. And then my final step, I forgot to write down that thing. The step 5 is to add those together to get 195. Okay, hope that makes sense. We're going to do another one because the more you do, like anything else, right? Shooting a basketball or dribbling a soccer ball, the more you do it, the easier it gets. So I'll do 17 times 17. Why not? Okay. 7 above, 7 above. Add those across. It's 24 with 0. Multiply those together. 49. It's 289. Now, this seems like this is taking longer, but the key is when you get here, you're not going to have to keep doing that. I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to give you first one over here. We'll do 14 and 13. And I'm going to have you do that one on your own if you can. So over here, I'm going to do 18 times 19. Okay, so 18 times 19, this is 8 up, this is 9 up. And again, these are things that you can all do in your head once you get used to it. So that's going to be 27, add a 0, 270. 8 times 9 is 72, so it's going to be 342 is my answer. Like I said, keep a calculator handy. Try these in a different method. Make sure you're finding a strategy that is going to work for you. All right, thank you guys. If you have any questions on this, let me know.